Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be looking at how to cut a padding for our for our off shoulder bustier. So what I'm going to do now is to mark out the under bust and also the bust point, as you can see me doing, and then I mark that out. For the middle part of this bustier, I'll be doing a full padding. So what I just have to do is to place it on my fabric like so, and then just cut out the shape of the fabric, as you can see me doing. So after I was done cutting it out, so ensure to align it properly and then cut it out. So this is what I have after I was done cutting. So next thing I'm going to do is to take out half of an inch, so that when I'm stitching the top part to the lining and the fabric together, I will not have any obstruction, or it will not be looking bulky. So I've gone ahead to do that, and then I mark out the bust point area so I can properly align it with the side bust parts. So next thing I'm going to do is to place my fabric on a paper like so. You can just do this by tracing it out on placing the wadding and tracing it out, but I would like to do that on paper. So I've cut out the shape of my side bust parts, and I've got to remove 1 inch for the ease for stitching. So what you're going to do next is to take out like one from on that bust. You take out 1 inch or 1.5 depending on how wide you want the bust part to be, and then you take out your nipple to nipple measurement and then add 1 inch. My nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2 is 4 plus 1 inch, which is 5. So that's what I've done, and I cut it out. Next thing you're going to do is to place your already cut paper on a wadded fabric like so, and then I trace out the shape so that I can for me this is easier to cut this way. So after I was done doing that, I cut out the excess fabric out, and then I mark the points, as you can see me doing. Then I go ahead and place it on my fabric like so. You can go ahead and iron this because it has a sticky end you can iron. So after that, I align my fabric point like so, and then I stitch it. And then when I was done stitching, this is what I have. I've stitched and then I pressed this using iron. So the next thing I'm going to do is let me place my fabric so that you see how it looks like. So you align it like so. So I'm gone ahead to place it on my fabric, and then look at how it came out. So this is what you should have. You can use a fiber to make this more firmer. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and until my next video, bye.